ask me how they get the train station. The train station, let's see. Go to crossroad and to right. Right. Go 1 block and to left. Left. Round the corner in the bus stop. Take the bus. Don't take a bus. Go past the bus stop. Cross the street. It's bookstore. Next to the bookstore is the pharmacy. Next to the pharmacy is the train station. Yeah. Got it? Let's do it again. Crossroad. Right. 1 block. Left. Round the corner. Don't take a bus. Past the bus stop. Cross the street. Bookstore. Pharmacy. Train station. Thank you very much. You're welcome.